Hello Zimbabwe, today at T1 station we are having a biography of one musician by the name Munyaradzi Tanikai, who is now a father of 4 and a husband of 1 wife. Munyaradzi is a man who was born in Masvingo, Bikita in Ziki village. He was born during the dawn 1981. He is a Singura musician who started his music when he was still a juvenile in choir. As a young boy, he had to be encouraged by the other elders to further his music as he was talented. He used to sing praise songs, hence paving his way for his music. In 2006, he had a dream where he was performing, and then it became a vision, which he started pursuing. Munyaradzi started recording his music in 2017, and that's when he launched his first album. Munyaradzi is an owner of 3 albums and over 30 singles. Tanikai is a multi-talented musician. That is, he is a singer and also a guitarist. His music is influenced by the surroundings, his social life, and what he sees. For example, his song entitled COVID-19. His subject matter is that of enforcing the concept of Unwisdom. So we may have a short discussion with Mr. Tanikai.
Mr. Tanikai, turikuda kuziva isisu kuti manyorero amunoita masongo yenyu munoita zvekurotswa here, munoita zvekungonyora here, mungatitsanangudzire muchidimbu kuti masongo yenyu munonyora sei?
Ya, maita zvakanaka DJ T1. Manyorero andinoita mutsika nemagarire dzedu dzevanhu, dzechivanhu dzedu, magarire edu. Pane kushaisha kwatinoita kutadza. Kugona kugarisana namwe zvakanaka. Saka ndinenge ndiripo pakurayira kuti sevanhu ngatiite vanhu chinonzi munhu hunhu. Saka notsura through nokuimba ndichitsiura chakashata chinenge chiitwa.
Right, ngatitarisei isisu maonera munenge muchiita munharaunda kuti no pari kuitwa chakadai, pari kuitwa chakadai. Imimi semunyori anenge achinyora songo, zvinokutorera nguva yakareba sei kuti mukwanise kugadzira songo kana muchinge maona zvinhu zvakadaro?
Ndogona kuita mazuva 2 kana 3 chinyatsogara pasi chinyatsokuona kuti ndingamisikidza sei kuti chitambirike muvanhu.
Aiwa, tinopa mbiri nekutenda Mr. Tanikai.
His vision in the next years to come is that of furthering his music all around the world so that all the people may grasp his concept. Thank you, all our viewers, for your continued support.
Let's go. This is your radio, your station.